happened. So you can tell everybody else that there's a fire.
Okay, Bryce, what are we going to do if there's a fire?
You're gonna pull the fire alarm.
Okay, but I can't pull the fire alarm.
Omika, you have to
So
go
what
to
am I
the
gonna
nearest.
do?
So you're gonna have to go to the nearest pull station.
But he can't get there. He broke his leg.
I cannot move. I'm right here and I cannot move. I'm stuck. Who's gonna pull the fire alarm? Bryce, you gonna pull it?
Yeah.
All right, so what are you going to do? Hold on. The lid off.
All right.
Pull that up. Pull down. Okay. Whoa. Go.
Do you think that was pulled down enough? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Calendar to office.
Great job.
This is the office. We are lining up for the fire drill on the playground. Thank you.
Staff and students, we are conducting our drill for this month. At this time, we will exit the building. Exit the building and take attendance outside. Green hallway is clear. Library, kindergarten hallway clear.